Hi guys, today we're going to learn how we can bulk update issues and assign them to an R&D activity. This will be really useful if we have a bunch of issues and we don't want to have to assign them one by one, as that will obviously be very time consuming and cumbersome. So we will go to our project, and what you're going to see in this home page are all the issues in the project. Now, none of these issues are real. This is a fake project for the sake of this tutorial, but it's great to see them there. And then once we head to our Tracka dashboard, it will make a lot more sense. So we'll see that we do have around 14 issues in this project, and yet none of them have been assigned to either R&D or non-R&D activities. So that's why we're getting no meaningful data. If we were to assign them, we could do it one by one, and I'll show you how that is done. So we'll click on our first activity, and we can see that it's currently assigned to none R&D activities. We have the option here for R&D activity 1, a non-R&D activity, and then this new activity which I just created, which is called bulk issues. Obviously, your activities will be different and customized depending on what your project is. So let's just assign it to R&D activity 1. We'll hit refresh. And now our dashboard is going to be looking a little bit different. Rather than having 14 unassigned, we have 13 unassigned and 1 that is assigned. And now we can see a little bit of info here. And now out of the assigned issues, 100% of them have been dedicated towards R&D activity 1, which is why we have this full pie there. Great. Now we want to do the other 13 issues, and we want to do it a lot quicker. So we can click this button down the bottom. And now we have the opportunity to edit them in bulk. So we're going to press these 3 dots in the top right corner and select bulk change all 14 issues. Once we do that, we've already assigned the first one, so we're not going to do it, but we'll select a couple of these at random and we'll press next. We'll edit issues, select next. We'll scroll down until we see R&D. So here we have it, change R&D activities, and we want them to be bulk issues. So these issues must be related to this activity. And we can also change the R&D person. We can assign someone an R&D activity note, etc. We're just going to do this for now. We'll press next. We'll confirm this bulk update. And within a matter of seconds, all of these 6 issues have been now assigned to the same R&D activity, and we didn't have to do it one by one. So going back to our project, we'll see how it looks. The dashboard, what you are going to see is that now half of the issues have been assigned. The others are still unassigned. We're seeing this here as well. And also what we can see is that the issues per activity has got a little bit of a different breakdown. Of course, there's still that are unset, some issues which are being seen right here. So it's all in the same place for us. And if we wanted to, we could perhaps assign them to a non-R&D activity if they're not relevant to research and development, etc., etc. I hope you found this useful and very time saving when you do have to bulk update a whole bunch of issues.